Thank you for listening to WAHC. We need to interrupt regular programming to activate the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
Following provides important winter weather information for the following counties in Michigan: Keweenaw and Northern Houghton. Winter weather advisory now in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Winter storm warning in effect from 10 p.m. this evening to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. What? For the winter storm warning, heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Northwest winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. For the winter weather advisory, snow. Where? Keweenaw and Northern Houghton counties. When? For the winter storm warning, from 10 p.m. this evening to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. For the winter weather advisory, until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Additional details: there is the potential for near blizzard conditions tonight. Travelers should remain vigilant for future forecasts and plan on extra time to reach their destination or consider adjusting their travel plans.